My name is Derrick Josi, Wilsonview Dairy. I am fourth generation. My great-grandfather started the original dairy in 1918 on 80 acres. Presently, we're milking 850 on our way to 1,000 cows. I was just looking to up my cow comfort game. I wanted cows that were comfortable in stalls, that were going to lay longer, because everybody knows comfortable cows produce more milk. My definition of cow comfort is cows that are able to be cows in the freestall barn, eat when they want, lay down and be relaxed, and just focus on making milk. So where I'm at, we don't have a lot of fans, but I do love the fans we have, because in our facilities, the most likely place where my cows are going to feel some heat pressure is while they're waiting to get milked. And by having those fans there, we flick them on, and the natural ventilation through with those fans, those cows are really comfortable.